What's going on, everybody? I'm just going to do a quick video on the review of the XTOOL D1 laser engraver. I've had this for about a week now. I love it. I love it. This is probably the best home engraver you can get for the price right now. I bought it off Amazon for like $7.50. It was $7.99 with a $50 coupon, but it was for the bundle. So I got the laser engraver, the stands. They give you these stands to raise it up, and then they give you the cylinder so you can do water bottles, mugs, and all that stuff. And they give you those green glasses. I bought an extra pair of glasses from Amazon, just because sometimes my wife and my daughter may be watching and seeing how this thing works. It works excellent. I'm telling you guys, the only downfall to it is if you purchase it, they don't have instructions. You have to go to YouTube and look and see how to put it together the right way. But other than that, it's excellent. I'm going to show you guys some things that I did over the last week, my first week with it, and show you some of the projects. So again, it comes with this cylinder tool so that when you're engraving, it kind of turns it slowly so that it can engrave water bottles as such. This, please, guys, this thing is about over $100. So if you can get the bundle, get the bundle. It's the best deal for this. So I also got some of these, this dog bone wood from Michael's for 99 cents just to practice on. Something that, not going to break the bank. I got some ceramic tiles from Home Depot for $1 just to practice on. And it came out phenomenal, man. This is, you can't ask for a better quality from a home laser engraver for under $1,000. As you can see, now this is my first time. These are things I've done in my first week with this. So it's not hard to use. It's not hard to learn. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can get it in here so you can see the detail. It's a little blurry. There we go. But look at the detail in that. That is ridiculous. My daughter did Rick and Morty. I literally taught her how to do this in about a half hour, and this is what she did. And these are coasters that you get for $1. You can sell them for $10 or $15. I want to try some more products, some different things. I was just trying these because they were cheap, and if I messed them up, I didn't waste a lot of money. But I mean, it's a phenomenal laser engraver. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit those buttons, and so you can check out some more projects that we're going to do. We're going to try some things. We're going to try some acrylic. We're going to try to do some color laser engraving. So just follow us and hit that bell so that when we do these things, you get notified. Thanks for watching.